Security forces carried out intensive search operations and area domination exercises across fringe and vulnerable regions of the hill and valley districts, ensuring heightened vigilance against potential threats. During these operations, a significant cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from the AS Mongpi ridges in Kangpokpi district on November 28, 2024. The seized items include a .303 rifle, a China-made 39mm pistol, 2 SBBL guns, an INSAS LMG magazine 5.56mm, and a variety of explosives and ammunition. Specifically, 2 number 36 hand grenades, 2 detonators, 16 live rounds of ammunition, 3 tear smoke grenades, 2 normal tear smoke shells, and 80 grenade WP ammunition and long-range mortar pump were recovered. Additionally, a Baofeng wireless communication set was also found.